Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you are a renter and you've been waiting to make your home smarter without drilling holes, rewiring or making any major modifications, this video is for you. Today I'll be sharing 7 renter-friendly smart home gadgets that can level up your living space while keeping your landlord happy. So let's dive in. At number 1, we have smart plugs. One of the easiest ways to upgrade your home is with smart plugs. These let you control lamps, coffee makers or even fans remotely using an app or voice assistants like Alexa and Google Assistant. Plus, they are super easy to install. Just plug them in and you are good to go. A great option is the TP-Link Casa Smart Plug. This is budget friendly and works flawlessly with major smart home ecosystems. Next up, we have smart light bulbs. Smart light bulbs are a game changer for renters. Unlike traditional fixtures, these don't require any rewiring. Just swap out your old bulbs, connect them to Wi-Fi or Bluetooth and control them with your phone or voice. Popular choices like the Philips Hue or the Leaf X bulb allow you to change colors, set schedule and even sync lighting with music or movies. At number 3, we have smart door locks. If you want keyless entry without replacing your door lock, a smart lock like August Wi-Fi smart lock is perfect. It fits right over your existing deadbolt, meaning you won't violate any lease agreements. With this, you can lock or unlock your door remotely, share access with friends and family, or even check entry logs, giving you both convenience and security. At number 4, we have smart security cameras. Security is a big deal, especially when renting. Indoor and wireless security cameras like the Eufy Indoor Cam or Blink Mini are easy to set up without drilling. They offer motion detection, night vision, and cloud or local storage. If you need something for your front door, go for a peephole camera like the Ring Peephole Cam, which replaces your peephole without any permanent modifications. Next up, we have smart thermostats. If you want to save on energy bills, smart thermostats like the Google Nest thermostat or ecobee smart thermostat can learn your schedule and optimize heating or cooling, all while being renter friendly. Some models don't require a C-wire, making installation easier. Just check with your landlord first, as thermostats replacement might require approval. At number 6, we have smart curtain controllers. For hands-free control of natural light, smart curtain controllers are a great option. Devices like the switchboard curtain attach to your existing curtain rod, letting you open and close curtains with your phone or voice commands. No drilling required. These are perfect for automating your morning routine and adding a touch of luxury to your space. And finally, we have smart leak detectors. These little devices can prevent costly water damage by alerting you to leaks in real time. Just place them near sinks, toilets or washing machines and get instant alerts if they detect moisture. The Yolink Smart Leak Sensor is a solid choice with long battery life and Wi-Fi connectivity. And that is it guys. 7 smart home gadgets for renters. These devices can make your home more comfortable, efficient and secure, all without making any permanent changes. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on more of our awesome content. Thanks for watching. I would like to see you in the next video. Bye bye.